If the husband wants divorce from wife under Hindu law, he must send a legal notice. But what are the grounds? Now, if a person defaults in payment of money for a loan given by you, there is some proof that he defaulted the payment of money, repayment of money. In the same way, if you want to send a legal notice for divorce, there should be grounds. And what are the grounds for legal notice? To be sent by husband to wife. Fundamentally, all the grounds for divorce under Hindu Marriage Act can be divided into two categories. Either the wife should leave the matrimonial home, or either the wife should be in the matrimonial home. First, I will explain what are the grounds when wife stays in the matrimonial home. Wife is in the matrimonial home living with you, but still you want divorce. What are the grounds for that? Now, she should be very cruel to you. That is one of the grounds you can go for divorce. In the context of Indian laws, cruelty by wife to husband has a different meaning. Cruelty by husband to wife has a different meaning. So, in simple language, I would say that cruelty definition by husband should be, if the wife is cruel to husband, it should be into 10 times. That is how the courts understand cruelty by wife towards husband. Because in India, women law is more powerful than men's law. Almost partial, I would say. The law is partial and protective and in favor of women. So when the wife is with you, you should either prove that she should be mentally cruel to you or physically cruel to you. So cruelty could be a ground for sending a legal notice. And the other ground is she should have mental diseases, she should be mad, or she should have physical diseases, communicable physical diseases like leprosy and AIDS, and any other, etc. Then there are grounds for divorce. Then you can send a legal notice. So these are the two main grounds when wife stays with the husband and still husband wants divorce. Now, coming to the wife leaving the matrimonial home. Wife leaves the matrimonial home when she has an extramarital sexual affair. That could be a ground. Or she should go to Himalayas. That is renunciation of matrimonial life. Then you can send a legal notice. Or else, she should be missing for 7 years. That is presumption of death. So if she is missing for 7 years, you have to file a police complaint 7 years ago. Then only you can take that ground for sending a legal notice. You will send if she is missing, you will send a legal notice to their parents' house, maternal home of the wife. So broadly, if these grounds are there, then you approach an advocate and he will issue a legal notice. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, kindly comment. And if you like, then share and subscribe.